Hitachi brings to you air conditioners designed to control your cooling. They know where to cool and when to cool. Hitachi's IC technology, driven by intelligent image sensor, identifies number of people, location and activity and cools accordingly to ensure maximum comfort. It also detects shape and size of the room and regulates its swing angle with a special smart swing feature. Thus, the air conditioner is capable of automatically optimizing cooling to the level that people feel most comfortable. What's unique about the IC technology? The image sensor avoids wastage of cooling, as walls are not cooled and airflow is directed only towards people present in the room. It also spots human absence in the room for a specified time, and the AC automatically switches off, reducing waste of cooling and waste of energy. It's so smart that you will never have to worry about cooling problems ever again. Hitachi IC technology for balanced cooling and higher energy saving.